Broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Stephen, good morning. Guys, good morning. It is Thursday, July 30th. Chris, good morning. Randy, Sue, guys, very good morning. Hope you all had a great afternoon. FOMC had a little bit of fireworks, but not what we've historically seen. Quite a bit of news today, aside from the, good morning, Jacques, aside from the usual initial and continuing jobless claims. We have GDP at 830. This number is expected around 35%. So we'll see what we get. We're not going to do any, and then we have natural gas today. Not going to do any trades until 8:30. As a matter of housekeeping, and I will inevitably have to repeat this for guys that join late, my surgery is scheduled for 8 a.m. tomorrow. So I will not be in at least early. Dr. Dean will run the room. I'm hoping I'm back by 9:30, 10 o'clock. I should be back in tomorrow at some point. For those of you guys that are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Bonds holding fairly strong. Right about just under 1,400 net sellers at the moment. We've been much higher than that. We've been up around 2,000, 22, 2,300 overnight. Currently, we have just about 1,400, I guess. Some fairly sizable sellers in silver, sizable selling in gold. And on that note, I am now trading December gold. I am trading December gold. You guys can still trade the front month if you want, but any order flow trades that I offer will be predicated or based on December gold. Gold is rolling over a bit. We do have sellers. If we come below 66.4, we could work down to 59.4. Once again, I am quoting December gold. A little over 1,000 sellers currently in the YM and the ES. 15,000. They've been banging the ES pretty good. Good morning, Dean. Good morning. Crude has 2,100 sellers. We could see some pretty good selling today. I guess it's going to depend on the numbers, but looks like a lot of people have run for the exits in the overnight. Currently, Dow futures down 196. S&P futures off 24.5 handles. NASDAQ's off 88 handles. Russell's off 13 and change, almost actually close to 14 handles. VIX futures are up 4%, and VIX cash is up about 6.5% at the moment. Again, I have rolled gold to December for those of you that trade it or are interested. The front month is still trading, but I am now trading December. At the moment, fellas, at the moment, I do not have any bots on. I will not turn any bots on until post news. Hey Todd, good morning. We are waiting on GDP, which is going to be huge, continuing an initial jobless claims as well. So we're waiting on quite a bit of news. I do not have any bots on, nor will I turn any bots on until after the news. Okay? Does anybody have any questions? Again, if you're here on trial, good morning and welcome. All right, guys, no questions. Let me read the disclaimer. And we'll get on with it. You actually get on with sitting. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask, guys. There we go. Okay. Come on, gold. Don't be bashful. 59.5, 7. Wow. Euro hit first target.
President Trump tweeting with universal mail-in voting in 2020 will be the most inaccurate and fraudulent election in history. It will be a great embarrassment to the USA. Trump asked, the way the election will be safely vote. And Trump tweet pondering and delaying U.S. election, claiming it will be inaccurate and fraudulent with mail-in votes.
Come on, gold. You know you're coming there. Silver's 1 or 2 tick. First tick filled on silver. First tick. I mean, first target. Let's just move it. Come on, gold. 59.7. Stop playing. 59, second target hit on silver. I'm milking it now. Come on, 59.7. That's a big trade, fellas. Thank you, Dana. I stole your setting. I went to your settings. Trailing stop's gone to second target. Oh, gold, you're almost there. Got to 60 half. Come on, 8 more ticks. Come on, buddy.
Target filled.
$1,350 on silver, 1 trade. Done. 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 Done for the day, guys. That's it. Shut it off. Come on, gold. Oh, yo! 59.7. Bam. Who called that? Anybody hold it to 59.7? Yeah, it looks like it's still going to keep going, but next would be 55.7. We're into a small bounce area in here, right? Down here. You guys good? Okay. Nice trade, fellas. Nice trade. Anybody that took that trade. Nice job, Todd. 37 ticks. Nice job. Start calling you Midas. Would not be looking for longs yet. That 3-minute is nowhere near. Where can we get to? Okay, James, nice job. We got a shot of 54.6. Somewhere between 50 and 54 is where I would like to see this come, and that would give us a bounce. But my target's hit. That's it. I got nothing. In Europe, 3%. I think we got to come down, guys. Any bounce up. Morning, Jeff. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Pay attention, guys. 30 seconds. Good morning, Donna. I would be surprised if we get much of a bid here. All right, guys, I'm going to move this off the screen. Markets are open. We're trying to get a bid. I don't think we can get much above 80. If we get above 605, we got room. Order filled where Euro ES is short on the Unirenko. Right on the open. Sitting on some support. ES really has to get down through 12.75. I've turned my 15 range on. Let's see where this can go. You gonna bid? Seriously? I don't believe it. You gonna try for VWAP?
filled.
out here. I'm not digging the longs.
Order filled.
8 all. I think this is just going to check.
Order filled.
Order filled where? All right. We're long on the Russell 15 range. I'm not digging longs. We may get a small bid, but I'm not liking longs. NASDAQ support is back at that 550. A break of that, I think, takes it down. We're rolling over now, it looks like. We're going to short on the 15 range.
Order filled. Target filled.
First target
Stop filled.
and out. I got to take that break even off. Go to trail. It's too small. Took me out of a trade that's going to dump. Still have buyers, guys. I mean, I almost can make an argument for a long, but we're losing buyers in the candle.
Order filled.
There's a long.
Target filled.
First
target filled.
Second target. First target on the Russell. Come on.
Target filled.
Third target. There you go. Okay, let them go. Above 05, we got a lot of room. 634. Down to 1,000 net sellers. ES still pretty stiff on the net selling. Got break even +1, no second target here, just missed by 3 ticks. Second target on this Russell. Let them buy them. We're breaking out, guys. We're going to 34.50. We're going to 34.50 now. 34.50 on the NASDAQ. Let's see if we can get a pullback.
Target filled.
Second target filled, Russell. Your target's now 34. Maybe a 10 long. Maybe 11, somewhere in through there. See if it pulls back.
Target filled.
Where? Oh, gold. Gold. On the 377 got first target, 16 ticks. I'm waiting on the next candle.
Order filled.
There's a short on the 15 range. Come on, buddy. Again, my preference is longs, guys, to 34.
Target filled.
First target. They're down to it's accumulating in here. Guys, out of the Russell.
Target filled.
This is up $1,000. I'm shutting it off. Done. It's up 1,000. Gold is bid. All right, guys, come on. Break up out of here. We get above this 04. Come on, buy them up. Come on, NASDAQ. Quit screwing around. I don't like the shorts, fellas. Come on, NASDAQ. We going to sit? Big earnings today? NASDAQ's trying, guys. Come on, NASDAQ. God dang it, man. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Sideways every day, all day at the open. Every day. We're getting this crap sideways movement. I've shut my 15 range off, guys, up $1,000. Got to 04. We're struggling. It's trying to grind higher, guys. If we can get above this 05 area, it should pop.
Stop fill.
There it goes.
Order fill.
Come on. Let's go. 14. Come on. We got to 11.
Order fill.
Oh, God. Look at how flat this thing is. This is just flat, guys. I've seen dead, but this is
Order fill.
dead. It's got to get about 7.5. There it goes. Small time frame guys getting ripped up. Ripped up. That's why I shut off the 15 range. Look at this market. If you think you can trade this, you guys are naive. I'm shutting these small time frames off, guys. If they make money, I'm done with them. This choppy, sloppy. Look at this NASDAQ. This is what we've seen every day this week. I mean, the Russell is holding in there, but I don't think it can stay here long. The NASDAQ is, I think, setting up to get killed. I'm closing this out.
Filled.
Closing it out. Let me move this. We're break even +1, so it can't give back anything. Look at this. Cannot trade that. Impossible. Impossible. I don't think they're going to kill the NASDAQ yet. Remember, we've got a lot of earnings today, guys, after the close.
Order filled.
Gold 70.3, right where that target is. If it gets there, I think that's our long. 67.5. I mean, they can't find many buyers. We're not going anywhere on 20 buyers, guys. There's the beat down. We're going to short on the 3-minute on the NASDAQ. Everything else is already done. Russell's consolidating. If Russell can get up through 71.1, it's got a shot at going long. We have to come to 34. We double bottomed at 41, but I think we have to come to 34. Here comes that 34. There it is. I need another candle, guys. We bounced off 34. 6, 7 handles. Came a couple ticks, guys. That's support. This area, you may want to take this trade off. ES trying 30. Yeah, it is. If it breaks 3,200, this could get quick. Gold is into support here.
Target filled.
There's your target. That's gold support. I don't think we come much below 67.5. I really don't. I think it holds this zone. We'll see. I don't have a trade yet. Again, if the markets are going to sell, they could sell everything as well. Gold, everything. I'm going to take off another one, guys. Yeah, this son of a gun. Came close, 69.2. I'm going to take one more off.
Target
And if I get it on the runner, I do. It's break even plus 1. I was trading 1, 1, and 1. This NASDAQ is going to want to short. Next candle in 20 seconds. I think gold is longs through here. I don't have a trade yet, though. It's all sellers. It's into support, but can't find buyers.
Target.
God dang it. That's a function of volatility, 200 tick range. It took off my standard ATM. Didn't have time to set, but here's 21 handles. Hit it to the tick, didn't fill it.
Order filled.
Hit it to the tick. And out on what? Gold. Out on the runner on gold, 377. It held that buy zone, that support zone. I think gold is along here, maybe 72. And your stop has to be big. 67 is your stop. My target is 76.6. NASDAQ's bouncing. It's got to come through 73.3. A buyer, boy, this is crazy, man. Buyers are getting into the NASDAQ, but long in. Come on, NASDAQ. If NASDAQ can get up through that swing at 64, we can start working back up to 600. Order filled where? Oh, euro. NASDAQ, guys, if it gets through 67, 68, starts working up to 80 anyways. NASDAQ's trying, guys. It's pushing resistance on a 15-minute. It's going to, if it gets through 66, 67, we get to 69, 70. It's just sitting here. This is terrible, terrible price action. Terrible. Look at this YM. Where are we headed back to? VWAP. We always go to VWAP. Eventually, we get to VWAP. You mean 5,800 sellers, Andy? Yeah. Because that's my target. And it's in a buy zone. Listen, I've been wrong before. I mean, obviously, but I don't think I am. So here's what guys see. They see 5,800 sellers, right? But remember, at some point, the sellers are all on board, and you get heavy on one side. And what happens? No. I know you're not questioning. I mean, I've been wrong before. I could be dead wrong here. I don't think so, but and so what happens? All the sellers are already in. They're short. So any short covering or any, changing of that position will send this right back up. I think, I see the shorts. Again, there it is. Got both targets. I don't think we'll get another trade out of this to get it green, but anybody know the delta in the September and the August contract? I think tomorrow will be a far better day to trade, guys. We'll be out of these earnings. We'll have a little bit more direction. I would personally not be interested in shorting gold. I see the sellers. I don't have gold in shorts. I'd love to see a pullback in gold, personally, but I still think longs, guys. Delta on August GC is minus 1,000. Thank you, Jim. So the front month isn't as bad as the back month. Guys, all in all, it's been a completely choppy little trade today. I can show you where we're at so far. Here's where we're at. Eight range on the ES up 187.5. GC on the 3-minute up 910. 15 range NASDAQ 1425. NQ on the 3-minute 390. GC on the 377 320. And silver 1350. Minus ES Unirenco. I doubt I'll get another trade 437.50. Minus 175 in the Russell, which we can live with. Minus this atrocity 1443. 0.75. The robots and all of this crap and minutia are still up $2,526.25. I mean, the euro was ugly today. I can live with 175 and 437.50. I don't have an issue with that. The euro was just brutal. But barring any more trades, 25, 26, 25. And I doubt I'm going to get trades. You know, we're bid now in the Russell. I doubt I'm going to get a short. I would need a short to get to targets. ES, I doubt I'm going to get a short on the ES. And the euro is not coming back from that today. Gold is back into this support bottom. Now we could come to 50.2. Just watch gold to the end of the day, guys. I think we go back to 65. There's no reason to be short gold. I'm straight up buying the ES. Look at that bounce off 3,200 on the ES, 31.95. I actually had a long and didn't see it at 32.03.